In Hinduism, Shivling is revered as a symbol representing Lord Shiva, the most powerful deity. Temples dedicated to him feature a Shivling, which encapsulates all the energies of the universe and beyond. Unlike other deities, Lord Shiva is believed to have no specific form or origin. However, since humans need a tangible symbol to worship, the ling was created. The word ling itself means symbol, just as a stethoscope symbolizes a doctor. Thus, the Shivling serves as a symbolic representation. Shivling is not just a religious symbol, but also holds a scientific explanation. It is composed of 3 distinct parts. The bottom section, which has 4 sides, remains underground. The middle section, with 8 sides, rests on a pedestal, while the top part, which is round, is the one that is worshipped. The height of the round top is 1/3 of its circumference. These 3 sections symbolize Lord Brahma at the bottom, Lord Vishnu in the middle, and Lord Shiva at the top. The pedestal is designed with a passage to drain the water that is poured over the top during rituals. The Shivling symbolizes the creative and destructive power of Lord Shiva, and it is regarded with great holiness by devotees. However, it is unfortunate that some Western scholars have mistakenly associated the Shivling with a phallus, seeing obscenity in its worship. Since Lord Shiva is described as formless, it is misleading and inappropriate to claim that the lingam represents a phallus. Swami Vivekananda himself described the Shivling as a symbol of the eternal Brahman, rejecting these misinterpretations. Hinduism, unlike some misconceptions, does not oppose science or other religions. Science is a continuous pursuit to expand human knowledge of the physical world through experiments and observations. However, Hinduism offers insights into certain mysteries that science has yet to solve. The Shivling is more than a religious object. It represents the entire cosmos, which is often depicted as a cosmic egg, an ellipsoid with no beginning or end. Scientific research, such as the studies conducted by physicist Niels Bohr, shows that atoms consist of protons, neutrons, and electrons, which play a crucial role in the composition of matter. In ancient times, instead of using terms like protons, neutrons, and electrons, sages used words like lingam, Vishnu, Brahma, and Shakti. The author of the Mahabharata, Vedvyas, mentions that Lord Shiva is smaller than subatomic particles like protons, neutrons, and electrons, while simultaneously being greater than anything in existence. Shivling is far from being a mere symbol. It carries profound meaning. Our ancient sages intended to convey the message that the smallest elements of nature could be understood through the Shivling. The Shivling represents the atomic structure, where protons and neutrons are surrounded by rapidly spinning electrons. When examined through the lens of Bohr's atomic model, the Shivling intriguingly demonstrates the behavior of these subatomic particles. In this representation, Lord Vishnu symbolizes the proton with a positive charge, Lord Shiva symbolizes the neutron with no charge, and Lord Brahma symbolizes the electron with a negative charge. Shakti, depicted as an oval-shaped disc with 3 ridges, represents energy, playing a vital role in the universe. In depictions of Lord Vishnu, a lotus emerges from his navel, with Lord Brahma sitting on it. The lotus symbolizes energy with an attractive force, showing that electrons are drawn towards protons due to opposite charges. Neutrons, represented by Lord Shiva, are neutral and reside within the nucleus of the atom, close to the protons. Stability in an atom occurs when the number of protons and neutrons is balanced. Similarly, ancient sages suggested that when Lord Shiva remains undisturbed, he embodies calmness. This tranquility is maintained because Shakti, in the form of Renuka, represents the energy that forms molecules, connecting 2 atoms together. However, when neutrons are disturbed or separated, it leads to chaos, symbolized by Shakti transforming into Rudrani or Kali, who performs a destructive dance indicating natural disasters. This symbolic interpretation by our ancestors was meant to convey deep truths, but over time, the true meaning has often been lost, leaving behind only traditions and literature. To revive this ancient knowledge, it is crucial to study the literature and traditions left by our ancestors. By delving into these texts, we can revitalize the wisdom that once illuminated our understanding of the universe. Thank you for watching our video. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and share this video to help us spread this knowledge further.